Greetings, my lovable weirdos. Today is the day that I'm going to do something that I've been putting off for the longest time. I am finally going to trim my bangs and shave my undercut because it's getting ridiculously long. And I've never done it myself before because I've just never trusted myself to do it before. I've always just paid $12 to get it trimmed and shaved off. But now with quarantine, I can't do that. So I'm gonna learn how to do my own hair and save myself $12 because spending $12 every month actually adds up. I could be doing so much more with those $12. I'm armed with a pair of hair scissors and a pair of clippers. It's a really cool pair of clippers. They're like bronze, so they're a really good brand. And the guard, the guard comes all the way off. I didn't realize this. See, I thought it only went all the way down to 3. It's because it says here 24, can you see it? 24, 21, 3 millimeters. I thought it only went all the way down to 3 millimeters and didn't come off. But here, I'm finding today, it comes all the way off. This bodes well. I can already hear Brad Mondo screaming in the distance, saying, "Don't do it! Don't do your own hair!" But that's okay, because even if I completely botch up, he's still gonna tell me I'm beautiful. So it doesn't matter. It's just hair, and it'll always grow back. So let's start. So you press the bar to turn it on, and it just go in like motions, like yeah, and just follow to where my hairline is.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's still like a bit like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's still like a bit, but that's okay. It's not.
Because that's the furthest I can.
Yeah, without cutting without cutting the rest of my hair off.
You know what I mean? If you look properly, there's still like one.
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Put the cover so I cannot see.
Yeah.
You want me to share some more? Maybe I can get it.
I'm not scared, but it's like.
You don't trust me.
I trust you. Just try.
Yeah, I go right to the skin.
Okay. Go for it. Shut up. Yeah. Just do the entire thing.
Huh? Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yep. As long as you don't shave off the hair that's on top. It's fine. This is what it looks like after my hair has been washed and straightened. I originally wasn't gonna style this at all, but I figured you guys deserve to see this kind of styled instead of just air dried like I would just usually leave it. But that's as much effort as I'm putting into this video. I'm not wearing makeup and I'm back in my pajamas because I ain't going out. No one's going out. I'm kind of happy with the fringe. It's short. It's about as short as how it was when I first got it cut professionally. My mom's first reaction was like, why is your fringe so straight? She says it's even, but it's really straight. I don't know if it's even or if my head just doesn't sit straight. I don't know. It seems a bit crooked to me, but you know what? Never mind. It'll grow out again and then I won't be able to tell the difference at all. And thanks to my mom for helping me shave the rest of my head because I couldn't see the back of my head. I don't know how people who have undercuts trim their own hair because even with a mirror I couldn't see. Maybe I'm just really blind. I was not and still am not wearing my glasses, so maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know. The sides are fine. It's just once it hit like the back, this section here, that's just hard. I couldn't see. But yeah, I'm super happy that it's all gone now. It'll be back in 3 weeks, but oh, it's all gone now. It feels so much better, so much lighter. And it's great in this weather because it's still so hot and humid, even though it's been raining a bit the past couple of days, but still super hot, super humid. I sweat too much. That's why I don't need all that hair. I just trim the ends. Lengthwise, I didn't take off any length at all. I was just trying to trim the ends a bit so that it was not so split endy. I can't really do much about the top of my head because this is all just breakage, which happens when you dye your hair a lot, or when you bleach your hair a lot, like I have. Can't be helped. That is fine. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I would say this is not a disaster. This is actually okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it all the way through this video, if you guys decide to cut your own hair while in quarantine, I hope you're as happy with the results as I am today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!